My name is Michelle Dern, and I'm a pediatrician. With pediatrics, it's really the parent and the child and the doctor as kind of a triad. And so I enjoy working with parents, trying to help them understand what's going on with their child, especially involving issues like growth and development. The best advice I could give a new parent is to ask plenty of questions, to never be shy about making sure that they understand everything that's going on at their visit or even after the visit. They can call and ask us questions anytime, and that we're partners in this together. Some of the most common questions that we'll get from parents are regarding the plan of treatment, especially if we're prescribing an antibiotic or a medication. So it's always good to ask a lot of questions about potential side effects and the pros and cons of pretty much any treatment plan. I would say that the most rewarding part of being a pediatrician is just really knowing families over a long time span and watching them grow and develop over time. So I've been working long enough now that some of the patients who I've seen as newborns are now going off to college, and I'm hoping that in a few more years some of them will come back with their own children. And so just building a really long-term relationship with families is probably my favorite part. So I have a special interest in international adoption. I work with families who are going through the process of adopting a child from overseas and help them through that process and then follow the child once they arrive back into the United States. The field of healthcare for international adoption is really fascinating, and it's been one of the favorite parts of my career as a pediatrician. So I've been able to help families who've brought children back from countries all over the world, including China, Russia, Ethiopia, Guatemala. So some of my hobbies include hiking and baking and just spending time outdoors with my family. I'm really happy to now be a Scripps physician. I was actually born at Scripps La Jolla Hospital, and so it's always been a special place in my heart for the Scripps system. And the Scripps doctors have taken care of some of my own family members and done a wonderful job. And so now I'm really proud to also be a part of the Scripps family.